another banger, banger.
So today's recipe is Ekpang Nkukwo. I know you didn't hear that clearly because I was whispering. I'll just go ahead and say it clearly. Yes, today's recipe is Ekpang Nkukwo. Say it again. Ekpang Nkukwo. Yes. Okay, Ekpang Nkukwo literally means food for the cat because it's quite special to the efiks, the ibibios, where it originates from. Yes, it's a delicacy that is only served during very special occasions. It's not something you walk into a household and find them eating on random days. Yeah, but except with a foodie like me, I could just wake up at about 6 p.m. or thereabout and decide, ooh, today is an eggplant kind of day. Alright, so the recipe for eggplant, it features cocoyam, it features wateryam, it features palm oil, periwinkle, crayfish, pepper, and your choice of protein. So for protein, you could decide to use beef, you could decide to use fish, you could decide to use offals, you could decide to use any protein of your choice. So the richness of the delicacy depends practically on your preference. And also you can decide to eat it with minimal protein so it will still turn out absolutely fantastic. For this recipe, cocoyam leaf is used to make it stand out. But in the absence of cocoyam leaf, you can use spinach or pumpkin leaves. For today, I'll be using spinach because I prefer the taste of spinach in my delicacy. So today I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial of how to get it done and to ensure you get an absolutely perfect result the next time you try it out. So if you've been looking for an authentic efik recipe for Ekpang Nkukwo, today's recipe would blow your mind. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, there ain't no better day to do it than today. Please subscribe to my channel so you can become a part of the family. So when I post videos, you would get a notification and you'll be the first to know about it. Alright, so we're going to go right into the kitchen, dive right in and get cooking. My name is Dana, like I said, and welcome to my channel.
As we start, I'll quickly run over the ingredients. Wateryam and cocoyam, periwinkles, shelled and unshelled, crayfish, pepper, pomo, that's cow skin, fish, some meats, palm oil, stock cubes, and of course vegetables. Firstly, I would peel my tuber crops, the cocoyam and wateryam, peel it really fast. Yeah. And after peeling it, I would grate it. Worthy of mention is the fact that the spinach you use will determine how frustrating this process is. Most people avoid making this meal because the wrapping of the cocoyam and wateryam paste is a whole lot. It's quite hectic. So to make it easier for you, please ensure you buy the agric. They have two types of spinach. They have the native and the agric if you live in Nigeria. So ensure you buy the agric. It's quite big with big leaves, so it makes your job easier. After grating, you season your cocoyam and wateryam paste with salt and a little bit of stock cube. While I was talking, the pomo, that's the cow skin, and my fish was boiling, if you took notes. Yeah, then I also applied palm oil at the base of my pot. That is a very important step you should not skip. Before you start, apply palm oil at the base of a clean pot. That way, your periwinkle and your eggplant does not stick to the pot and get burnt. Because the issue with eggplant is when it gets burnt, it affects the taste. So the first thing you should do is apply palm oil. Then use the unshelled periwinkle to serve as a base. So this ensures the meal simmers gently and does not burn. Remember I said burning affects the taste negatively. So now we keep wrapping. You wrap it gradually one by one inside the leaf. All right. So you put your paste in the leaf and you roll till everything is exhausted. It's quite it's not an easy task, but the taste of the meal is worth all of this stress, I must tell you. So you do all of that, you wrap, and you add your condiment of choice, your fish, your cow skin, your beef, your offals, your crayfish, the pepper to your taste, You add it in. You pour in your periwinkle gradually, yeah, at the top. Nicely. The periwinkle adds the ethnic taste. You can do without it. The next in goes my palm oil. Yeah, my stock cube goes in next, and salt, season to taste. Another thing I do is to cover the top of the meal with extra wrapped Ekpang. After putting the protein on it, I cover it with the Ekpang so the protein can steam nicely into the food and it would enable it to release the flavor. After all is in, I put it on fire, add a little bit of hot water stylishly or systematically to the edges and leave to simmer. Remember, you do all you can to ensure it doesn't burn. Watch your pots, adjust your oil if necessary, and after all said and done, our Ekpang Nkukwo is ready. I'm sure my Akwa Ibom brothers will be shouting Abba Simbom at this point. I hope I got it right. Okay, and rumor has it that my Akwa Ibom brothers, they like it quite oily, as in very, very oily. But I had to make it minimal because I do not like oily foods. But if you're a fan of oil, please go ahead. Feel free. Make it a River Niger flowing with oil. Alright, my food is ready. I'm about to dish it and enjoy it. So here it is, quite easy. Put a few ingredients together, add your protein, simmer for a little bit, ensure it doesn't get burnt, and voila, you are done.
It's been awesome shooting this video with you. I hope you learned how to make a beautiful Ekpang Nkukwo delicacy. I had fun filming, I had fun recording, and I had fun putting all of this together. I hope to see you again, and I hope you'd like to see me again. Yes, if you'd like to do that, like I said earlier, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, that bell underneath where you click on subscribe, that bell that you see. Yes, click on it. So whenever I post a video, YouTube would send you a customized notification, a customized message, and tell you, hey, what are you doing? Diana just posted a video. How fantastic. All right, till I come your way again, on this channel. My name is Diana, Mommy Maya. Yes, my name is Diana. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, and I am your go-to girl. Yes, so till I come your way again, my name is Diana, and it's bye for now. Thank you so much for watching.